Looking for the best fitness trackers for you? Then you're in the right place. We've assembled a list of the top 5 fitness trackers that we've reviewed. We have reviewed many products and selected 5 products based on performance, unique features and many users. And if you can't find a fitness trackers that suits your needs exactly, keep this video for future updates. For their prices, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Without further ado, here are our top recommended fitness trackers. Number 1 on the list is Fitbit Charge 5. The Fitbit Charge 5 is our pick for the best fitness tracker overall. It has everything that most people will be looking for in an activity tracker. It looks premium, and its color AMOLED display is bright and crisp. In addition, the slim and lightweight form factor of the Fitbit tracker makes it comfortable to wear. There are 21 exercise modes, and the Charge 5 is extremely accurate. It can automatically detect workouts and provide you with detailed data about how you are doing, making it great for anyone that wants information without fuss. You also get 24/7 heart rate monitoring, and the smart band can alert you if your heart rate is abnormally high or low. Moreover, Fitbit has included an ECG app, and there's also sleep tracking to help determine how rested you're getting. Battery life is good, and you can expect 2 to 3 days of backup with an always-on display. However, the tracker will only last around 5 hours of continuous workouts with GPS. Keep that in mind if you're planning to go on a long hike or bike ride. Unfortunately, several of the tracker's most valuable features, such as the daily readiness score, which tells you whether you are ready for a workout or should focus on recovery, are available only as a part of the premium subscription. Fitbit Premium costs $10 a month or $80 annually. Second on the list is Garmin Vivosmart 4. The Vivosmart 4 is a fantastic fitness watch that is an excellent option if you aren't looking to shell out more than $100 on one. It's packed with advanced health and fitness tracking options, all in an attractive design. One of the highlights of the Vivosmart 4 is its body battery metric. It calculates your body's energy levels by accounting for heart rate, sleep quality, activity, and stress levels. You can use this data to decide whether it's a good idea to work out or give your body some rest. In addition, you get the usual tracking for steps, calories, blood oxygen level during sleep, and more. The Vivosmart 4 also mirrors notifications from your smartphone, allows you to control music playback, and more. In addition, there is support for replying to texts with preset responses, but it's limited to Android phones. Battery life for the smart band is pretty good. You can expect around 7 days of uptime with 24/7 heart rate monitoring. However, if you enable blood oxygen monitoring during sleep, you can expect the battery backup to drop to 4 to 5 days. The one area where the Vivosmart 4 disappoints is the lack of a built-in GPS or even support for a connected GPS. If no GPS is a deal breaker for you, you should consider some of our other recommendations. Number 3 on the list is Fitbit Ace 3. If you are looking for a way to get your kids more active, the Fitbit Ace 3 is a great option. It incentivizes having a healthy lifestyle by making fitness fun with motivational challenges. The tracker has a rugged design, ensuring it doesn't get damaged during playtime. In addition, it's water-resistant up to 50 meters and swim-proof. As you can expect, the Ace 3 is quite different from fitness trackers meant for adults. For example, it has animated clock faces and doles out virtual badges to make completing a fitness goal fun. The Ace 3 also allows children to challenge family members to step competitions so that everyone in the family can participate and remain active. The usual fitness tracker trappings, such as the ability to count steps, track activities, and monitor sleep, are present. But all tracking is done passively, so kids don't need to do anything. The Fitbit Ace 3 also shines on the battery front with around a week of uptime on a single charge, making it fuss-free for parents. You can buy it in 2 color options, cosmic blue with green accents and black with red accents, but the company also offers a special edition Minions yellow version. Number 4 on the list is Apple Watch Series 7. The Apple Watch Series 7 is the best smartwatch with fitness-centric features for most people. It can track over 15 types of workouts, and you get access to a heart rate monitor, SpO2 sensor, and an ECG app. While the Apple Watch's fitness software is more suitable for casual users, third-party apps can help you get more out of the health and fitness data the watch is collecting. It's the smartwatch features where the Apple Watch really shines, though. It has an unrivaled collection of third-party apps, and you get polished software that deeply integrates with your iPhone. The smartwatch's battery life is average, and it will only last about a day with an always-on display, or around 2 days without the always-on screen. Fortunately, this iteration of the Apple Watch supports fast charging. You can buy the Series 7 in 41mm and 45mm variants with optional LTE connectivity. The Series 7, like all other Apple Watch models, only works with iPhones. So if you have an Android phone or need an even more fitness-focused smartwatch, the Garmin Venu 2 Plus is an excellent alternative. It has excellent fitness tracking, long battery life, and decent smartwatch features. Number 5 on the list is Fitbit Inspire 2. Fitbit's cheapest tracker is more expensive than the best cheap fitness trackers, but there's a good argument for buying the Inspire 2 because the price includes 1 year of Fitbit Premium, usually £7.99 per month. If you're buying a tracker to improve your fitness from a standing start, Fitbit Premium offers oodles of in-app workouts, training plans and guided programs to follow, all of which will help you achieve goals such as sleeping better or reducing your sugar intake. The device itself has an accurate heart rate monitor and offers Fitbit's excellent sleep and activity tracking, including the Active Zone Minutes target, a far more effective goal for staying in shape than 10,000 daily steps. And the Fitbit app is among the best there is, with plenty of community features and friendly competition to inspire you to reach your fitness goals. Just now is a list of 5 best fitness trackers that we would like to introduce to you. For more detailed information about these products, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You will receive our latest videos. Thank you.